we'll guide you through how to send Google Sheet to Messenger. Quick disclaimer: you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, turn on your smartphone and make sure it is connected to a stable internet connection so both Messenger and Google Sheets work properly throughout the process. Launch the Messenger app on your Android or iPhone device and log into your Messenger account if you have not already signed in. Allow the chat screen to load completely before continuing. Locate and tap the conversation where you want to send the Google Sheets link, then allow the chat window to open completely. Next, open the Google Sheets app and locate the spreadsheet you want to share with another person. Once you have found the correct spreadsheet, tap the More or three-dot menu associated with the file to display additional options. From the available menu, select the Manage Access option to control who can view or edit the spreadsheet. In the General Access section, press the Change button to modify the sharing permission. After a new tab appears, change the access setting to anyone with the link so people with the shared link can open the spreadsheet. Next, choose the permission level that best fits your needs. You can select Viewer if recipients should only read the spreadsheet, Commenter if they should be able to leave comments, or Editor if they should have permission to make changes. Allow Google Sheets a few moments to apply the updated sharing permission before continuing. Once the update has finished, tap the link icon located in the top corner of your screen to copy the spreadsheet link to your device's clipboard. After copying the link successfully, return to the Messenger app and open the conversation you selected earlier. Tap the message field, paste the copied Google Sheets link into the chat, and send it to the recipient. Wait for the message to appear in the conversation history before proceeding. Finally, tap the link that you just sent to make sure it opens the correct Google Sheets document without any issues. Confirm that the selected sharing permission works as expected and that the spreadsheet can be accessed.